An active-passive appreciation analysis has to be performed when state divorce law directs that the increase in an otherwise separate property asset occurred during a marriage to determine whether the increase is a divisible asset. There are certain components that exist in an active-passive analysis. Initially, there has to be a measurement of the increase in value of an otherwise separate asset that's due to what's called market forces. Second, there is an analysis of the increase in value that would be due to individual efforts, but this would be the individual efforts of the managers, employees, and owners of the company other than the divorcing spouses. And then finally, there's a determination of the part of the increase due to the active efforts of the divorcing spouses. Causation is a common theme in an active-passive analysis, and it really is a thread that runs through all of the analysis. Causation relates to the connection or really a relationship or influence such that the particular factor is connected to or related to the actual change in value of the business interest. Most of the time, it's not a simple mathematical formula. It's rather a flexible facts and circumstances analysis. For example, a business owner might come to a business and go to work every day, but merely because there's daily labor that's expended doesn't mean that labor produced an increase in value of the business interest. From another perspective, when there is a determination of the part of the value increase that's due to the active efforts of the divorcing spouses, it necessarily requires the determination of the increase in value caused by factors other than the divorcing spouse's efforts. It's not uncommon in an active-passive analysis to have increases in value due both to market forces and the active efforts of individuals. The outcome when that fact pattern occurs is in part dependent upon the jurisdiction in which the case occurs. Typically, though, there is an allocation of the appreciation between the various factors.